Entspannen und 1, 2, 3, 4, Körper 6, 7, 8 und 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. How do we do this? Very fast. We make a tension in our frame 7, 8, and I go with my right hand 7, 8. Why? So I can go in the Menseite and still be on my axis. 1. On the 1, I put tension and stop the girl. Now my leg is traveling and my hand, very gentle with the girl backwards, but very soft, and I lift her up a little bit. Lift, 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 and then free. Drop on the leg. 4, 5. Here I go with the hand in and go on the knees, and then go slow with the leg connection, very important, slow. 7, 8. Then I go in normal speed. 1, 2, and then I fall 3, 4, 5. You see how the girl follows? So the guys doesn't have to pull you here, the girls you follow alone with the body. The fact that Eva followed with her leg, very good, very good, very good, she can be on balance. If the girl doesn't do this, if she stops there and I go here, then she will lose the balance and she will follow me. So as girl, important that you follow with the legs. How? You always follow on the leg that you have free. That means if I go on the left, the right is following, following. And as soon as I go on this leg, I go with this in connection. Boom. I set connection to the guy. Boom. For the girls, it's normally like this actually. Because you're... Good. Then we did the waves. Wave, wave, block, power. And now guys, you make just the body. Small. Tap. Tap. Okay, I have the leg here so I can balance myself. And then I go down, wave, up, and then I make the tension. Why? Because here I have tension, tension, flow, tension, 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 flow. Okay, you have to play with the power in your frame so the girl understands it. Gut, that's it. Tanzen wir schnell und dann, ich sage euch gleich, was für eine Figur wir machen danach. Wir machen so, muss nicht viel.